fellow YouTubers. Today I'm going to be fitting a nice new IPS LCD screen purchased from laptop-lcd-screen.co.uk. Ordered next day delivery just before dinner time and arrived with me today just before 10 AM. Thank you very much, guys. This is going into a Medion Erazer. The model product is NP November Papa 50DB-M. It seems to have a loose cable, and when I managed to remove the screen, it seems the screen ribbons were damaged, so I've had to purchase a whole brand new screen. Now I've already obviously removed the old screen, so I'm just going to take this off now. And what you may need to do jobs like these are these little plastic, I believe they're called spudges, but please correct me if I'm wrong. They look like guitar plectrums, and you have to basically slide them in the edge to break the glue, slowly easing the bezel out, taking great care not to catch anything like cameras. And these bezels are glued in, so to replace these bezels you will need some new glue, which comes on a roll. It's about £5–6 a roll, and you'll have to put it all the way around the edge when it's being replaced. Now, I thought mine had screws, but they only seem to be the carcass. It turned out it was glued in, so I'm going to have to very carefully pull this out, and you'll see where the sticky pads were that I had to ease off. This is your ribbon cable down at the bottom here. On this one it happens to be a 30 pin. So always make sure you get your old one out, and be very careful when removing that ribbon cable. It just slides off like that. And always try to make sure you can see the bottom of your screen, so that you know you're going to get a 100% compatible screen from the guys at lcd-laptop-screen.co.uk. Here is my new screen. Always check these over before you fit them. So that looks good. It's in the right place for the cable. And I'm just going to have to get some sticky tape. Okay. If you have a look at the website for these screens, you'll find many videos on there. The biggest advice I would give is, before you do anything, plug the screen in, turn the laptop on, and make sure the screen is working. So I'm going to very carefully ease that cable into position. Be very careful with these cables, they're not very thick and they do damage very easily. When you believe the cable's in place, it does have some sticky tape to hold it, and hopefully that will give you a good fit. Okay, let's see how it goes. We have a backlight and we have a picture. I'm going to power the machine down quickly, and let's get back on with fitting it. I'm not too happy with the fitment on there. I think because I've been messing around, I've probably broken the glue. So I'm going to get some extra sticky tape just to make sure that stays in place. Well, there's a good hint. Make sure you have everything to hand before you start. Just going to make sure that's tight in there and put that in. Okay, now for the double-sided sticky tape. I was professionally doing this, I would be using special removable tape, which has a tab on it that you can pull and it releases. I'm not a professional. And I think a lot of guys out there would agree when they look at the video. Okay, number one. Number two. To very carefully position this at the bottom and then drop it into place, pushing gently on the sides. I'm going to push too hard, I don't want to break a brand new screen. Then I'm going to take off the protective cover. Beautiful. Then, with the application of your tape, this is going onto the bottom. I'm going to position it carefully. Okay, it's too low. Too low. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. Carefully along the top. We go. Let's power on. Beautiful. So, thank you very much to the guys at laptop-lcd-screen.co.uk for a beautiful new IPS screen for my son's gaming laptop, and he'll be one very happy boy. Hope you enjoyed. I hope that made the steps easier. Thank you. Bye bye.